Welcome back to the channel. It's me, Eric. If you're new to the channel, please subscribe. Today I'm going to show you guys how to remove your exhaust manifold studs and replace them with JD Customs titanium ones. For those of you that are following along my winter build, just give you guys a little update. My turbo did make it off to FP and everything checked out fine, so it's good to go for an upgrade to the FP 54 green. Let's get started on removing these exhaust manifold studs. You can see these things are kind of rusty and definitely are going to need a little help getting out, so I'm going to spray some PB Blaster on here to kind of lube them up and make it easier to get them out of the head. There's a couple methods for removing the studs. I'm going to use the 2-nut method to get these things out. So we're going to reuse the stock nuts that were on here. Putting one backwards, like so, and screw it on. And then use another one and put it on like it normally would go. Next thing you need to do is tighten these up, so that way when you move the stud, these nuts don't spin. Now that we have them tight, we just need to grab this inner one here and start spinning it counterclockwise. As you can see there, we got one out. You want to take your time with this because you don't want to snap one off in the head. That will be a pain in the ass. Once I cracked it loose, I was able to switch over to a 12mm deep socket ratchet. This just makes it go easier so you're not wrenching on it all day. The last two studs are a little bit larger than the other ones, so you got to use a 14mm to get them out. check this out, guys. These things are super crusty compared to the ones from JD Customs. The thing I like about these as well is they have the hex head on the end of them, so you can use an Allen wrench in order to get them in or back them out. JD Customs offers two different types as far as the nuts go, either a 12-point or a 6-point. I opted for the 6-point just because I'm going with the FP Manifold, and it has larger runners on it, so it'd be a little bit difficult to get the 12-point wrench in there to fasten these down. JD Customs recommends wearing gloves when handling these because you don't want to get any of the oils from your hands on there and ruin the finish. I can't wait to get these on the car. The contrast of the black FP Manifold with these studs is going to look so sick. Well guys, that's about as far as I can go with this until I get the turbo back and the exhaust manifold. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button and also subscribe. Till next time.